Good morning, students. Let us we have continue general trends in properties of a transition series, mainly the 3D series of element. The catalytic property are seen in this lecture. Firstly, the definition of catalytic property: the property of a metal to act as a catalyst to increase the rate of a chemical reaction. Do you know? Chemical reaction means if the reactant are react with each other to form the product, and the time duration to formation of a product from their reactant known as a rate of reaction, and that rate of reaction are increases by using the catalyst in this reaction. The number of metals or the respective compound are used to increase the rate of chemical reaction, and the number of metal or the respective compounds of a 3D series elements are iron, platinum, lead, nickel, cobalt, chromium, manganese, as well as vanadium peroxide. These compounds are used to increase the rate of chemical reaction. Because of that, metals are a 3D series of elements, it containing a unpaired electron in the d orbital. कशामध्ये d orbital मध्ये unpaired electron आहे या complete मेटलच्या एलिमेंटच्या or their respective compoundच्या, that can be a donate the electron to the reactant and forms the intermediate. Firstly काय फॉर्म होते? इंटरमीडिएट फॉर्म होते. फॉर एग्जांपल, A react with B. A कोणासोबत रिएक्ट होऊन आलेला आहे? B सोबत. That can be also treat with intermediate, means considered as a C, that forms the intermediate A plus B plus C to increase the rate of chemical reaction. Reaction is fast होते and forms a product, particular product obtain होते, and the catalyst remain forms as it is. बरोबर? तर हा सी कॅटॅलिस्ट त्याच्यामध्ये काय होते? जनरेट होते. बरोबर? दिस इज अ कॅटॅलिटिक प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ एलिमेंट और देयर रिस्पेक्टिव्ह कंपाउंड्स. नंबर ऑफ एक्झाम्पल आहे कॅटॅलिटिक प्रॉपर्टीचे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इन अ 3D series element जर आपण कन्सिडर केला, प्लॅटिनियम आहे, that also used to manufacture a H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Then another, iron as well as molybdenum are used to make a ammonia gas by a Haber process. That process are studied in a 10th standard. Haber process, production of ammonia. In this reaction, iron as well as a molybdenum are used as an intermediate to increase the rate of a chemical reaction. Then another, nickel, also used to the hydrogenation process of oil as well as fats. अलग अलग क्षा hydrogenation, addition of a hydrogen atom in oil as well as the fats, that nickel are used as an intermediate. Similarly, vanadium peroxide, that also used in the transformation of SO2 into GaSO3. That process known as a oxidation. Oxidation process also increases with the help of a transition element, mainly the 3D series of element or their respective compounds. Their respective compounds are vanadium peroxide, V2O5. Similarly, manganese dioxide that also used to make a oxygen gas from KClO3. In this process, KClO3 are decomposed by using a manganese dioxide. That process known as a decomposition and forms the oxygen gas. Similarly, TiCl4 आहे. कुठला कंपाउंड आहे? TiClO4. That compound is commonly called as a Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Which of these? Ziegler-Natta catalyst that can be used to preparation of high density polymer. The polymerization reaction are very slow. That can be an increases rate of chemical reaction with the help of a Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Similarly, cobalt as well as thorium alloy that can be used in the preparation of a gasoline. Synthesis करते कशाचं? Gasolineचं. Cobalt as well as thorium use केले जाते. Then another copper also used to make silicones. Copper as an intermediate use केले जाते. कशाच्या प्रिपरेशन मध्ये? सिलिकॉनच्या प्रिपरेशन मध्ये from their respective reactant. Then another calcium chloride that can be used in the manufacture of a chlorine, hydrochloric acid from a chlorine gas. These are the number of preparation in which the transition elements, mainly the 3D series of elements, are used to increase the rate of chemical reaction. That property known as a catalytic property. As a catalyst म्हणून एलिमेंट जे आहे हे यूज होते known as a catalytic property. आलं का लक्षात? बरोबर. डेफिनेशन आली का लक्षात कॅटॅलिटिक प्रॉपर्टीची? द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ मेटल टू ऍक्ट ॲज अन कॅटॅलिस्ट to increase the rate of chemical reaction known as a catalytic property. समजलं? थँक यू. धन्यवाद.